In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products using Hostinger Website Builder, step by step. If you've been considering launching your online store to sell digital products, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to set up and start managing your product catalog seamlessly. To begin, let's head over to Hostinger's hPanel at hpanel.hostinger.com. This is your control center, where you'll manage your website and make necessary changes. Once you're logged into the hPanel, you'll notice a website section. In this section, locate and click on the Edit Website option. This will take you directly into the Website Builder interface, where all the magic happens. Now that you're inside the builder, your next stop is to find and click on the Store option. It's typically found in the menu and is your gateway to managing your online shop. Once here, you'll want to add a new product to your catalog, so go ahead and click on Add a Product. A window will pop up prompting you to select the type of product you want to sell. For digital products, choose the option that permits downloads via a link after purchase. This setup is perfect for products like ebooks, music, digital art, and more, which are instantly accessible to your customers. With your product type selected, it's time to fill in the various product details. Starting with title, click on it and enter a name that accurately represents your product. Keep it concise but descriptive enough to catch the attention of potential buyers. Following the title, click on Subtitle. While optional, the subtitle is a great space to convey additional information or a catchy tagline that enhances your product description. Next, you'll see Ribbon. This is a small label that can highlight special aspects of your product, such as bestseller or new arrival. It's an excellent way to spotlight key products in your inventory. After adding the ribbon, move on to the description. Here, provide a detailed explanation of what buyers can expect. Include features, benefits, and anything else that you think will convince them of the product's value. Pricing is a crucial step in this process. Click on Pricing, where you will input the cost for your product. Under the Pricing section, also consider adding a discount price if you're planning a sale or offering special promotions. Discounted pricing can be an effective strategy to boost sales and attract more customers. Finally, enter the SKU, or Stock Keeping Unit. This is a unique identifier for each of your products, which helps in tracking and managing your inventory efficiently. Once all these elements are in place, you're ready to publish your first digital product on your Hostinger website. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up and selling your digital products on Hostinger. This process can be repeated for each new item you want to put in your online store. With these steps, you're now well equipped to share your digital creations with the world. Happy selling, and don't forget to explore more features of Hostinger to enhance your online business.